Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we'll explore the numerous benefits organizations can gain from implementing ISO 39001, the International Standard for Road Traffic Safety Management Systems, RTSMS. ISO 39001 provides a framework for organizations to systematically manage road traffic safety risks and improve road safety performance. Let's delve into the key benefits of implementing ISO 39001. One of the primary benefits of implementing ISO 39001 is the enhancement of road safety performance by adopting a systematic approach to road traffic safety management. Organizations can identify and address road safety hazards, reduce accident rates, and improve overall safety outcomes. Reduction in road traffic accidents. ISO 39001 helps organizations reduce the incidence of road traffic accidents by implementing effective risk management processes, promoting safe driving behaviors, and enhancing road infrastructure and traffic management systems. This leads to fewer accidents, injuries, and fatalities on the roads. Compliance with regulatory requirements. ISO 39001 provides organizations with a structured framework for ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements and standards related to road traffic safety. By aligning with ISO 39001 guidelines, organizations can demonstrate their commitment to road safety and meet legal obligations effectively. Improved stakeholder confidence. Implementing ISO 39001 enhances stakeholder confidence and trust in an organization's commitment to road safety. Customers, partners, employees, and the community perceive organizations that prioritize road safety as responsible and reliable entities, leading to stronger relationships and increased loyalty. Cost savings and risk reduction. ISO 39001 helps organizations achieve cost savings by reducing accident-related expenses such as medical costs, property damage, legal fees, and insurance premiums. Additionally, effective risk management practices implemented through ISO 39001 help mitigate the financial and reputational risks associated with road traffic accident. Competitive advantage. ISO 39001 certification can provide organizations with a competitive advantage in the marketplace. Customers, suppliers, and other stakeholders may prefer to engage with certified organizations due to their demonstrated commitment to road safety and adherence to international standards. In conclusion, implementing ISO 39001 offers numerous benefits to organizations, including enhanced road safety performance, reduced accident rates, compliance with regulatory requirements, improved stakeholder confidence, cost savings, and a competitive advantage. By prioritizing road safety and adopting best practices outlined in ISO 39001, organizations can create safer road environments and contribute to the well-being of communities. If you have any questions or would like further information on the benefits of implementing ISO 39001, please feel free to ask. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.